Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a bit different. I don't think I've done anything like this on the channel yet. So I got a new phone and I've been trying to transfer my documents from my old phone, my WeChat documents and chats from my old phone to my new phone. But then I noticed that there wasn't any video of that sort on YouTube, especially with an English speaking person. So I'm like, hey, let's do this. Maybe somebody else needs this. And so here we go. So I'm going to first log in into my old phone. So you log into WeChat with your old phone and then you go to me like I did. Then you go to settings, general. Then you go to backup and migrate chats. Migrate chat to another device. Backup chat history to computer. That's also allowed. So I'm going to select migrate chats to another device. And you have the option migrate entire chat history, migrate partial chat history. So I'm going to migrate entire chat history. And it's going to try and load up a code for me. So this is the code that is going to help me migrate my chat from this old phone to the new phone. So you log in on the new phone as well. Because you logged in on two different devices, you may be asked to try and put in some security measures. So I have to answer a few questions to verify the account. So now they give you the option to scan the code. So you scan this QR code here. Once the scan is complete, try as much as possible to keep the phones together. And also don't forget to keep on your Wi-Fi or data or hotspot, whichever means of network you have for both devices. This will take a while, so I'm just going to leave them. Hey guys, So it's a bit late now, as you can see, because it took a while to import all my contacts and my chats. You may have to rescan a few times if your Wi-Fi or your network is not as strong, and so that's what caused the delay. But I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like if you benefited from it, and yeah, see you in my next video.